How to add college to your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your college to your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here you have to scroll down until you find profile information, and you're gonna find education at college. Click on it, and here you can add your college name and follow those steps and write your information. And if you are done, click on save. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.